Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome in. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for watching my video. It really helps out my channel if you could give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below and let me know that you are here. Today's video is just kind of like a clean with me. On this particular day, I was not doing super great in my motivation and my I guess mental health on this day. Like, I was just feeling a little bit more down and just not motivated. So my hair is a mess. I haven't brushed it, super tangled. I'm wearing my husband's shirt and I just didn't really try that hard, but basically what I'm doing in this video is just trying to get through it and still get the house in order, even though I feel like crud. And so I just thought I would film because I'm hoping that this will be motivating to you or somebody else, that, you know, even when you're feeling down, we can do this, we can get through the day, and we can get done what we need to get done. So get up, get a snack, get some water, and let's clean together. You guys, my kitchen was such a mess, and honestly, since, like I said, this was a day that I was not feeling my best, when I cleaned, I was not deep cleaning or going above and beyond. I was just doing my best to get everything straightened up and in order to, you know, just function for the day and just be clean and clean enough so when my husband comes home, he can relax and we can have dinner and whatnot. So I definitely didn't go overboard on the cleaning or too deep into it, but I just started straightening everything up. But yeah, it was just such a mess. Like, I don't even know how long it had been since I did the dishes, maybe 2 days, but getting it all taken care of today All right, guys, if you stuck around this far, thank you so much. That is so sweet of you, and it makes me so happy. Let me know in the comments. As you can see, we are getting ready to go outside. All of our chores are finished. I still look really rough, but you know what? I'm gonna take him out anyway. I'm gonna change my shoes and we are gonna go out to play. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys again.